Hello, friends, and welcome to another English learning episode. In this episode, we will learn how to order coffee in English. First, we will learn some popular coffee names. Then, we will start with a simple coffee order and then try to place more challenging and complicated coffee and dessert orders. So let's begin. Let's first learn some popular coffee names. Espresso, espresso, iced Americano, iced Americano, latte, latte, cappuccino, cappuccino, mocha, mocha. Different drink sizes. Small, medium, large, extra large. Now, let's start to order. Hello, what can I get you for today? Here are many other ways the cashier can ask you the same question. How can I help you today? What would you like to have for today? How can I take your order for today? What would you like to order for today? Hi, I would like a medium-sized Americano. Would you like it for here or to go? It's for to go. Do you want the iced Americano or the hot coffee? I would like the hot Americano. All right. Is there anything else that I can get you for today? Yes, I like to get one banana bread. Do you want the banana bread muffin or the sliced? I'll get the muffin. All right. Would that be all for today? Yes, please. Your order for today is $8.50. How would you like to pay for that? I'll pay with my card. Okay, then. Please insert your card in here. Here is your receipt, and we will call you when your order is ready. Thank you. 3 minutes later. Medium-sized Americano and one banana muffin. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day. Thanks. And you too. Let's practice ordering a more complicated order now. Hello. What would you like to order for today? I want to get a small sized espresso and a medium sized latte. Is it going to be for here or to take out? It's for here. Oh, I forgot to ask, what plant-based milk options do you have for the latte? We have almond, oat, coconut, and soy milk available. Then can I get my latte with almond milk? Absolutely. And what else would you like to have? Can I also add a flavored syrup to my latte? Sure, no problem. We have vanilla, hazelnut, almond, and caramel syrup. I'll get the hazelnut flavor. All right, I'll put that with your order. And is there anything else? No, that would be it. Your total is $9.63. How would you like to pay? I'll pay in cash. I don't have the exact amount of $9.63. So I will pay the cashier a $10 bill. Pay attention to what the cashier says. Here is your change and receipt. Thanks. Let's now try another challenging order. Hello, what can I get you for today? Hi, I like to have a large sized Americano. However, can I have 2 shots of espresso for my Americano? Yes, we can do that, but it will be an extra charge. How much is the extra charge? It will be an extra $2. That would be fine. All right. Do you want to add anything else to your order? Yes. Do you have any iced blended coffee drinks? Yes, we have iced mocha and iced hazelnut caramel drinks. Let me have the iced mocha. And what size? Small size, please. All right. Is there anything else that you want to add to your order? Yes. Let me also have 1 chocolate chip cookie, 1 vanilla frosting muffin, and 1 scone. Do you want any butter, jam, or cream cheese spread for the scone? Do you have any flavored cream cheese, or is it just plain cream cheese? We have both plain and strawberry flavored cream cheese. Oh, perfect! I'll have the strawberry cream cheese. No problem. Anything else? No, that would be all. All right. So I have an order of iced Americano with double shots of espresso, iced mocha, 1 chocolate chip cookie, 1 vanilla frosting muffin, and 1 scone with a strawberry cream cheese. Is that right? Perfect. Thank you. Your total for today is $18.78. I'll pay with my card. I apologize, but unfortunately, our system is down right now, so we cannot process any electronic payments. That's okay. Then I'll pay with cash. Thank you, and sorry for the inconvenience. No problem. Here is your receipt and change. And give us about 8 minutes to get your order ready. Thank you. 8 minutes later. Here is your order. Do you want any napkins or straws with that? Yes, let me have 2 straws and some napkins. I'll put them in your bag. Have a great day. Thanks, and you too. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this English learning video, please like and subscribe. If you want me to make more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next episode.